In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Safe Search on Safari. If you're using Safari on an iPhone or iPad, it's important to know that Safari itself does not actually have a built-in Safe Search switch. Instead, Safe Search is usually controlled by the search engine you use inside Safari, like Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. So if you want to disable Safe Search, you'll need to adjust the setting through that search engine, not through Safari directly. If you use Google in Safari, start by opening Safari and going to the Google website. Once you're there, tap your profile picture if you're signed in. If you're not signed in, look for the Settings option instead. From there, tap Safe Search, then choose Off. In some cases, Google may ask you to save or confirm the change, so make sure you do that before leaving the page. This is the main way to turn off Safe Search when Google is your search engine in Safari. If the option won't let you turn it off, or if it appears locked, there may be another reason behind it. In some situations, Safe Search is managed by parental controls, account supervision, or restrictions placed by a school, workplace, internet provider, or even the Wi-Fi network you're using. If that happens, the setting may not be available for you to change manually. It's also a good idea to check which search engine Safari is currently using by default. To do that, open the Settings app on your device, then go to Apps, tap Safari, and select Search Engine. Here, you'll see which search engine is active. Once you know which one is selected, open that search engine in Safari and visit its settings page to look for the Safe Search option there. This matters because changing Google's settings won't help if Safari is actually using a different search engine. If Safe Search keeps turning back on after you disable it, there are a couple of things to check. First, sign into your search engine account and confirm that the setting is turned off there, since account level settings can override what you do temporarily in the browser. Then, check for screen time restrictions on your iPhone or iPad. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Review any web content limitations that could be affecting search results or forcing filtered content. Once you've checked those areas, you should have a much clearer idea of why Safe Search is on and whether you can turn it off successfully in Safari.